Capillaries. Every single day millions of Lay's chips are produced inside factories like this. But what really happens behind these stainless steel
You've eaten Lay's chips, but you've never seen how they're actually made. Inside this modern factory, every bag of potato chips begins with tons of freshly harvested potatoes entering the factory.
These potatoes move directly into the first stage of industrial preparation.
High-pressure water removes soil and field residue in seconds.
Precision separation ensures only quality potatoes continue forward.
Steam pressure loosens the skins in a controlled flash. Rotating rollers complete the peeling process with minimal waste.
Human inspection adds a final layer of quality control.
In milliseconds, whole potatoes transform into perfectly thin slices, ready for frying. Uniform spacing ensures every potato chip slice cooks evenly. Here, controlled heat begins the transformation. Precise temperature control locks in crisp texture. Filtered oil keeps every batch consistent and clean. Golden and crisp, the chips emerge from the fryer. Excess oil is removed for the perfect crunch.
Controlled airflow stabilizes texture before seasoning.
Now, flavor meets precision in the seasoning stage. Controlled rotation ensures every potato chip receives uniform flavor. Automation guarantees consistency in every batch of potato chips. Nothing is wasted in this precisely engineered cycle.
Flavor profiles are blended with scientific accuracy.
Each chip carries the signature taste of the factory. Advanced sensors verify quality in real time. Only the finest potato chips continue down the line. The finished potato chips rise toward final packaging. From here, potato chips are prepared for precise portioning. Advanced weighers measure every gram with exact accuracy. Printed film transforms into airtight packaging in seconds. Nitrogen protects the crispness of every potato chip. Every pack is verified before leaving the line. Precision inspection guarantees consistency.
Safety standards are enforced at every stage.
Automation prepares potato chips for large-scale distribution. Sealed cartons protect the potato chips for transport. Traceability ensures every potato chips batch can be tracked. Every carton meets strict shipping specifications. Robotic precision builds stable pallet loads. Stretch wrapping secures the shipment for safe handling.
The finished potato chips move toward storage.
Large-scale storage supports global demand for potato chips.
From production floor to warehouse, the journey continues.
Every shipment of potato chips is digitally tracked before dispatch.
Seamless dock systems ensure safe loading operations. Pallet by pallet, the potato chips fill the trailer. Stability during transit protects every carton. Sealed and secured, the potato chips are ready for distribution.
From this facility, potato chips travel to markets nationwide.
Even after dispatch, production never stops.
The process resets, ready to produce the next wave of potato chips.
Behind every potato chip is a network of automated controls.
Precision heat control defines the texture of every potato chip. Continuous filtration maintains flavor purity. Thermal balance keeps potato chips evenly cooked. Automation synchronizes every movement across the line.
Compressed air powers precision sorting mechanisms.
Thousands of potato chips bags leave the line every hour.
A synchronized system transforms simple potatoes into packaged potato chips.
Perfect alignment prepares every potato chips bag for boxing.
Every set is counted with mechanical precision.
Cartons are formed in seconds to house the potato chips. Each carton is sealed tight to protect the potato chips. Every shipment carries detailed tracking information.
Verification systems eliminate distribution errors.
Layer by layer, pallets are built for global transport.
Before leaving the production floor, every potato chips pallet faces final inspection.
Before release, every batch of potato chips undergoes strict quality verification.
If you enjoyed this real factory breakdown, stay with us for more behind the scenes journey like this.